TISMYP Graphing Slopes by Andres Medina. Linear paper slide vocab list. What is a linear equation? Straight line equations or linear equations graph as straight lines and have simple variable expressions with no exponents on them. If you see an equation with only x and y as opposed to, say, x squared or x squared, then you're dealing with a straight line equation. Example, 2x plus 5y equals minus 3. Right. Whatever. What is slope? Definition. The slope of a line is a number that measures its steepness, usually denoted by the letter m. It is a change in y for a unit change in x along the line. See this website. What do we mean by rise and run? Rise and run is the ratio of the change in distance between two y points divided by the distance change between two x points. What is rate of change? A rate of change is a rate number that describes how one quantity changes in relation to another quantity. If x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable, then rate of change in y, change in x. Rates of change can be positive or negative. This corresponds to an increase or decrease in the y value between the two data points. When a quantity does not change over time, it is called zero rate of change, or a horizontal line. What is the slope-intercept form? Y equals mx plus b. This formula gives the slope value shown in m. Then the y-intercept shown in b. What does slope have to do with parallel and perpendicular lines? Parallel lines have the same slope but different y-intercepts. Y equals x. 3x plus 8 is parallel to y equals 3x minus 5. Perpendicular lines have the negative inverse slope to that of a line that intersects at right. Y equals 5x minus 3 is perpendicular to y equals 1/5 times x plus 4. Did I read this one? No. What is a plane? A plane is described as a surface that extends to infinity in two dimensions. It can also be described as having two dimensions, length and width. But since the plane is infinitely large, the length and width cannot be measured. 2 points define a line. 3 points define a plane given 3 points that are not collinear. There is just one plane that contains all three. Then what is a coordinate plane? A coordinate plane or a Cartesian plane is a plane consisting of a set of two lines intersecting each other at right angles. The horizontal line is the x-axis and the vertical 1 is the y-axis, and the point of their intersection is called the origin, with the coordinates 0, 0. Quadrants 1, 2, 3, 4 are labeled at the left. They are counterclockwise. Point of origin equals the point of intersection of the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis is the horizontal line we use as a number line. Y-axis is a vertical line that is perpendicular to the axis. Y-intercept is the point where a line crosses the x-axis and where the y values is 0. See -2, 0. Y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the y-axis and where the x value is 0. See 0, 3. Alright. This is my linear equation. Y equals x plus 2. Graphing by table. Y equals x plus 2. Make the table using y and x. Graph the values. Graphing by intercepts. Y equals x plus 2. Y equals x plus 2. Find the x-intercept by replacing y with 0. 0 equals x plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 equals x. Alright, so minus 2, 0 is the y-intercept. Now find the y-intercept by replacing x equals 0, y equals x plus 2, y 0 plus 2, y equals 2, 0, 2. Now to graph by slope-intercept. Y equals x plus 2. Ta-da! This is in slope-intercept form. Y equals slope x plus 2 intercept y-intercept. Thanks for watching. Bye.